Dear students, today I would like to show my gratefulness to my parents. I am so blessed and honored to have such a great and lovely parents. I want to show my thankfulness to them for their support and love over the years. Thanks for guiding me in learning and doing everything possible to walk in the path of greatness. Dear students, our parents spend most of their time of life to learn us essential values of life that can make us honest and good person. So we can never forget their sacrifices that they have given for us. In our whole life, our mothers spend most of her time to fulfill our desirable food craving. She manages our all problems that we faced in our early school life. Our fathers work hard to earn money for us so that we can study in good environment and grow up in friendly environment. Dear parents, in last, I want to say that whatever achievement I have received, it is all because of you both. You both support me emotionally and financially. Thank you is such a small word to say to you both after all the precious blessing you both gave me. But it opportunity for my education to supporting my dreams. You both always believed in me. I owe my everything to you both. Thank you.